So sorry, but I think hitting the social media, you are called the front runners. How do you feel about
I
that?
feel happy, overwhelmed, and may konting pressure kasi they're expecting too much from me. And because of the bashers then, it helps me to motivate na ma-improve ko yung communication skills ko, yung pagsagot ko sa Q&A, and at the same time yung pasarela ko po.
But what I like about you, Puerto Princesa, from day one until this day, parang well improved, and which is not your lucky, isn't it? Because it speaks a lot Cebu province. So what is lacking in your Cebu province?
The media would say that a lot. But what's lacking for me, that's all honestly, feet grounded, is my body. That's my body, and then my poise, because I think my poise and my body is what's lacking for me. But I am super enough gratitude and grateful enough to hang out with these guys. So I'm forever having this gratitude forever. Like, especially hang out with Oliver and everyone with Coach and Subutan as well. So I'm just grounded and super happy to be here. So
What about Bulacan, Bataan? You are also hitting on one of the top 5 of our hot picks all over our medias. Is it a double time for you to work harder, or you just take it slow in order for you to enjoy the show?
I just feel motivated because they saw my potential. So that's the main reason why I keep pushing towards to be unstoppable king of Misters of Filipinas.
Sorry to ask you about it. Have you already learned your weakness?
May communication skills po. Kasi as a Bulakenyo po, yun, ginagamit ko po talaga yung mother tongue, which is yung pagiging
Not bad.
Tagalog. So mostly kasi hindi siya na-highlight international stage, kaya sa tingin ko mas mag-stand out ako doon. Yeah.
So you're telling that if you're gonna be entering top 10, you're gonna be using Tagalog or Filipino?
Secret mo.
Yeah, that's a secret, of course. Bataan, you pressure, nakakapagod, kakaisip ba ito, or you will just take it very slow na lang para whatever will be.
Actually, it feels humbling and motivating, but at the same time, it gets to pressure me because it challenges me more to improve myself in all aspects, including communication skills, my body, and of course my poise on the stage. So every day is a learning. So every event that we are in, I'm improving myself in all aspects.
Okay, 2 days left. Give me the specific name na sa palagay nyo ay ang matindi nyong kalaban.
For me, is Tristan and Bulacan.
Okay.
for me, there's two, Oliver and Tristan.
Oliver and Bataan.
Oliver and Tristan.
Okay. Babalikan ko po kayo kung sino pa ang tumama at naging bilang anghel sa inyo. But I think in this 4 of you, malakas po ang ating pakiramdam that of course you're gonna get the crown. Congratulations in advance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.